Hi doers. This is your success coach speaker Boniface Mogo. This is a doers quotes segment, and the quote for today it says, you may never be the best, but you can be your best. Majority of the people, we are unable to bring up the best version of us, because you look at yourself and think, I'm not good enough, I don't have what it takes. I'll tell you this: nobody in this world got what it takes to become, but you got what it takes to begin. Becoming is a process, and to be anything, you must stop, waiting and wishing, I wish I had this, I wish I was like this person, I'd be in a better position to make it. But you know what? God does not use what you think you need to have to make it. God uses what you have to make you make it. So you gotta ask yourself, what do I have with me? However little it is, I always say there is power in little things. If you think about the story of Moses, the whole thing about Israel and what he went through, and the so many excuses that he gave God, and the bad negative attitude he had towards himself, because for him he thought he was not good enough. But in all these circumstances, you see that God was willing to use whatever he had at his exposure. At his disposal. God was willing to use his brother to speak on his behalf. That time they were crossing the Red Sea, God was willing to use what he was holding. So God does not use what you think you need to have to make it. God uses what you have to make you make it. So you gotta make a decision in life that I want to use what I have. What do I have with me right now? Because that thing that you have with yourself is what is going to bring the best version of you. You don't have to compare yourself with people. There is nobody like you. There is real power that exists in the world. It's you. Nobody else can be you. So you don't need to feel threatened by people. The best thing is to wake up, show up, and be all that you can be. And the journey starts now with what you have.